The journey begins here. Cheer. Truckloads of fresh bananas arriving straight from local farms. The journey begins here. Ain't Truckloads of fresh bananas arriving straight from local farms. Forklifts and conveyors work in perfect rhythm, moving thousands of crates every single hour.
Only the best bananas make the cut. Bruised or unripe ones are set aside immediately. Smart sensors and robotic arms now do what once took dozens of workers, sorting with incredible precision. Next, the bananas take a bath. Massive tanks wash away dust, dirt, and impurities. Next, the bananas take a bath. Massive tanks wash away dust, dirt, and impurities. High-pressure jets give every single banana a thorough, hygienic rinse. Here's where modern engineering shines. An automated peeler strips thousands of bananas per minute.
Clean, smooth, and perfectly peeled, ready for the next stage.
Nothing goes to waste. Even the peels are recycled into organic compost.
Now for the transformation. Bananas are about to become chips.
Now for the transformation for me. Bananas are about to become chips.
Razor-sharp blades slice each banana into perfectly even pieces, hundreds of times a second.
Precision matters. Even a millimeter of difference changes the final crunch. Thousands of fresh slices spread out, ready for the next transformation.
A light natural spray keeps every slice fresh, bright, and free from browning.
The oil is heated to the perfect temperature, the secret behind that unmistakable crunch. Into the golden oil they go gomply, the moment banana slices truly become chips.
This continuous frying system processes tons of chips every single hour, without ever stopping.
Every degree is monitored dahoid. Consistency is what makes every batch taste the same.
Excess oil is drained and filtered, keeping every chip light and never greasy. Before seasoning, the chips must cool completely twaintly, locking in that perfect crunch.
Now comes the flavor, a carefully balanced mix of salt and spices.
Every chip is evenly coated, ensuring the same delicious taste in every single bag. The classic salted flavor comes in, simple, timeless, and always a favorite.
For those who love it bold, unpined, the spicy masala line adds fiery flavor to every slice.
And for a sweeter twist, a delicate honey glaze coats these special batches.
Before packaging, every batch passes through strict safety scanning. Advanced X-ray technology ensures nothing but pure, safe chips reach the consumer.
Precise weighing guarantees every bag delivers exactly what it promises. Each pouch is filled with care, capturing that fresh from the fryer crunch. A gentle nitrogen flush locks in freshness, keeping every chip crisp for weeks. A perfect seal means a perfect crunch, right up until the bag is opened. Every single bag is stamped and traceable, ensuring complete transparency. Random checks ensure every single pack meets the highest standard. While chips are packed, cartons are built at lightning speed to keep pace. Robotic arms carefully pack each carton, ready for the journey ahead.
Sealed, labeled, and ready, every carton tells the story of where it's headed.
Precision robotics stack thousands of cartons without a single misstep.
Precision robotics stack thousands of cartons without a single misstep.
A protective wrap keeps everything secure for the long journey to warehouses worldwide. Millions of bags now rest here, waiting to reach stores across the country. Special batches are kept in controlled cold storage to preserve maximum freshness.
Behind the scenes, scientists test every batch for moisture, taste, and texture.
The final judge? Human taste. And this batch passes with flying colors.
Even the packaging design goes through careful review before hitting the shelves.
Every pallet is scanned and tracked from factory floor to final delivery.
The loading dock buzzes with activity as another shipment prepares to leave.
The loading dock buzzes with activity as another shipment prepares to leave.
And just like that, another truckload heads out. Fresh chips on their way to millions of homes.
Everything's stable on the main grid. Line 4 readings are here.
Looks good. I'll monitor the flow rates.
As day turns to night, the factory never truly sleeps.
Automation keeps production running around the clock, day and night.
Regular maintenance ensures every machine keeps running smoothly without a single delay.
Powered partly by the sun, this factory is as committed to the planet as it is to great taste. Even the waste finds new life, turned into rich, organic compost.
Behind every great product is a well-trained team, committed to quality and safety.
This factory's success starts with strong partnerships with local farming communities.
Every second, real-time data keeps the entire operation running at peak efficiency.
From a single banana to a finished bag of chips, in Gun, a journey of precision, technology, and care.
Millions of bananas. One incredible process. This is how the world's favorite banana chips are made.